And this is the resort. So this is the resort in Da Nang, Vietnam that we're paying for. It's about $50 a night. We just came down the elevator. And they have a little pool set up here. A walkway that goes across to a resort diner. There's a breakfast. It's like 10 or 20 bucks or something like that for each person. Sometimes there's deals. But I'm gonna do a long video of the walk towards the beach and how nice and quiet it is. Time and temperature check. It's Sunday the 8th of February. And it's about 75 degrees. Better try not to have to piss at anybody, of course. So I'll be down 8. Yeah, it's all pretty nice here. I prefer it to the Philippines for the weather. It's about 10 degrees Fahrenheit cooler. And the air is definitely cleaner than this city I was in, which was Cebu City, on the island of Cebu. And it was getting kind of stinky there. There's just a lot of trash. Whenever it rained, it got worse because it's not really cleaned out. And here, it's definitely just better. Now, this is the one of many places I'll be staying. But for now, this is what I envisioned when I first left America and thought I'd be in a kind of resort or Airbnb type stuff near the ocean. I was expecting to get something like this. Or slightly less than this, but unfortunately Philippines has been, well, losing its kind of quality for the price. They still charge the prices or even inflate it. I'll read things like on Reddit or other expat channels where they talk and compare notes, and they're pretty much saying 10 years ago Philippines was on the top. Now Vietnam and Thailand, Cambodia, Singapore are all much higher destinations now, with Vietnam and Thailand being the more affordable type for quality and safety and everything else that you like. But we're almost to the beach down here. There's a second bar, restaurant down here. So yeah, and the route, we've been here about 4 days now, and all that happens here is you just see nice staff people walking by and taking care of everything. Weather's been about the same. A little bit of rain. But yeah, so we came out here and we saw him the other day. It's the infinity pool on the other side of this restaurant. Almost there. And yeah, they have these villas here for rent, it looks like. I haven't really looked into that too much. The only things that we usually use is Airbnb if we want more of a condo type, which will have cooking, you know, bowls and everything else, or hotels is the other side. We use a Goda app for that. Here's the infinity pool. Very nice little place out here. It's all kept up so well. Don't really see anyone swimming in the ocean though. As we get up there, you'll see it gets pretty high currents. Yeah, you can just walk down here. Take the steps. A lot of just lounging places and stuff. And yeah, lots of kid play stuff. approaching. Oh, it gets very windy out here this time of day, it seems. Hopefully this new, I'm testing my mic on this one. I got one of those little, one of these things to test the noise cancellation. The wind isn't killing it. Find out later, I'm sure. There's some nice little lounge things, and yeah, you can just chill out here. Let's look at this here. Open from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. it looks like. Just walk out here, get some Crocs going. Yeah, see, at night you can see over the way out there, you see the other side of Da Nang proper. It's the proper main city there. But yeah, I'm kind of using this to test some other things. Bear with me, I'm trying to figure out how to use